Hi, welcome to a new video tutorial. Attaching one product's category to its title can be useful. For example, if a store offers running shoes, and a customer wants to know if a certain pair is either for men or for women, having the category displayed next to the title would be quite helpful. Of course, if we own a big store, performing this modification would involve a lot of work, right? Gladly, that's not the case. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to do it in a few minutes, using the WP Sheet Editor plugin for WooCommerce, which includes a bulk editor that will save you lots of trouble. You can grab it from the link below the video. This spreadsheet will greet you once the plugin is open. We are going to start by modifying individual items by manually selecting them, aided by the checkbox near the title. Once you have chosen as many items as you want, move to the Bulk Edit tool. Enter title as the field to be edited. As type of edit, select Append from the drop-down menu. And in this box, input the formula you are currently seeing on your screen, preceded by space. This series of instructions will add the product category to its title. And there we have it. The category was successfully added in the title of the products we chose for editing. If you are interested in modifying just the titles from a specific category, or from a specific type of article, the process is very easy. Open the search tool here. You can use these fields to locate any products you might be looking for. For this tutorial, I'm going to filter all the jeans from the women category. Once the search is done, you will find only the matching items displayed on the spreadsheet. Move to the Bulk Edit tool. Select to edit the rows from the current search. Input title in this field. Select Append. And don't forget to submit the formula. Mind to add a space before the formula. Now all the jeans from the women category are properly identified. If your store is currently running a sales promotion from certain categories, you might want the customers to be aware that an article falls under those on sale. Applying the category append to those products is really simple. Move to the Bulk Edit tool. Select to search for the rows to be updated. The search tool will open. You can use these fields to add extra filters. But in this case, I am going to leave the fields empty and tick the Advanced Filters checkbox. In this field, input sale price. Select the greater than symbol as operator. And enter 0 as value. Enter title as the field to be edited. Select Append. And input the formula displayed on the screen, preceded by space. Done, you have successfully added the category appendage to the titles of the items on sale. Now, if you are interested in adding the category to all the product titles from your whole store, the process would be no different from those in the previous sections. Select to edit the rows from your current search. Add title. Select Append. And enter the formula currently displayed, preceded by space. Now all our products have their category added in the title. That was easy, right? Download WP Sheet Editor from the link in the description. If you need some chat support, you can always visit our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new tutorials.